Hurricane Florence. Have you ever heard the saying, we must all go through storms in life? That could mean tests, trials, or actual weather storms. I've been watching the news lately, and the Washington Post, CNN News, and the Weather Channel has stated a hurricane is about to hit land. This will be the most intense hurricane to hit this area since Hurricane Hugo in 1989. Residents can be knowledgeable on what a hurricane is, where the hurricane will hit, and how to prepare for the hurricane. A hurricane is a tropical cyclone that forms over the Atlantic Ocean or Eastern Pacific Ocean. It uses warm, moist air as fuel. That's why it only forms over oceans near the equator. Meteorologists have named this hurricane Hurricane Florence. It will cause damaging winds and flash floods that will bring down trees and damage homes and businesses. Hurricane Florence is expected to hit South Carolina and bring down large amounts of rain in that area. Other areas in the line of the storm is Georgia, Virginia, and North Carolina. Hurricane Florence will prove to be a threat for flooding in Maryland, Ohio, Pennsylvania, West Virginia, and also Tennessee. Hurricanes produce heavy rain, and that is what causes flooding. There are things you can do to prepare for a hurricane. The governor has already issued a mandatory evacuation for the Carolinas and the U.S. East Coast. Residents are asked to not play with this storm and to go to low-lying areas. If you do plan on staying and battling the storm out, make sure you are prepared with food, water, and other necessities you may need. There will be limited resources for help once the storm hits. Your power can be knocked out for days and even weeks. Being knowledgeable on a hurricane, knowing the areas that the hurricane is going to hit, and being prepared is three of the most important things you can do before a hurricane hits. This can save time and also your life. Hurricane Florence is expected to be catastrophic. It shouldn't be taken lightly or played with. You don't want to be in this swirling storm, and you shouldn't want to be worried about materialistic things, but be worried about your life.